We're going to do a version of the Whisper Challenge where juicy questions are involved. What's the name?
Crazy sister.
I said, what's the craziest shit?
Ready? Welcome to my mukbang. Oh, our mukbang.
It's not yours.
My food hasn't come yet, guys.
It's not mine.
I think there's a delay.
No, look, there's a driver.
Lumar Gerald!
Lumar. Why are your chips separate and mine aren't?
There you go.
Because yours are in the box.
That's crazy.
Lumar Gerald has got my order.
Well, that's if he wants to keep it.
Lamar. Put myself on there.
Oh.
Mother to the rescue. Okay, should we just eat and talk?
Right, let's talk. What can we talk about?
Let's talk about the wave house.
The wave house. You know what? I don't think it's as bad as everyone's saying it is.
Well, we're choosing the wave house.
Like Kate Elizabeth, Carmi.
Mum, you're making a lot of noise.
It's my house.
Period. Two of them aren't in a relationship, and then all of them are. The rest of them are. So
guys, what food did we get? I got German doner kebab wrap and chips.
So did I in a box?
I've got popcorn chicken and chips.
Pizza. Lumar is getting my food, guys.
No.
Annie, don't be staring at my food. I see your eyes.
I see your eyes.
What are your best pickup lines?
I say, oh my god, I recognise you.
Even if you haven't.
Yeah, and they go, oh my god, where from?
Oh my god.
And then you go, oh yeah, where'd you come from?
Lumar? No, Lumar.
Oh, Lumar didn't. It's another driver.
Andre Louise! Andre Louise has my food!
Is he actually going to get it this time?
How many different drivers have I had?
Are you okay? Is this why you guys eat so much?
What do you mean? That's so rude, Kayla!
No. Look how quickly he ate that. Is that why? You guys just eat really quick, so you're just like, oh, let's eat something else.
I don't
Kayla is out of rudeness.
No, I don't. No, it's because, guys, when you
get
see their videos, do you not see them eat, like, so much? Not like so much, like they get massive boxes.
Look.
Thank you.
I said look, I didn't say yeah. Look, Kayla, your sweet shop.
Yeah.
So you
Take you to the candy shop.
What do you want,
so you think we don't see you in the back munching on those bonbons? Munching on those bonbons. Those Laffy Taffies. Check that out. Drop it. I was gonna do you guys still watch soaps like EastEnders?
From time to time.
I watch old ones. I watch old seasons. They make me laugh. You know Dot? The car crash scene.
When I remember watching that, I thought it was such a big deal.
Did you guys just sit in your living room with your parents every day and watch EastEnders, Coronation Street? Do you know what I love about Coronation Street? They always had 2 episodes. There was a little break.
Yeah. You watch one, then you could watch EastEnders,
And then you could come back. Yeah.
Are we doing that this with me or not? Yeah, we can do that. Let's. Okay.
It's the waiting 4 hours for you to get your food and then. It's the covering up your massive forehead.
Oh, you want to start deep? It's the old French for me.
I don't even care.
I'm putting it in the video.
Hi guys, it's Lily now. My 13th birthday. Hi, I'm Lily and this is my 13th birthday.
Do you want that?
You're just jealous.
I love how you just started off on me. It's the being head of the school leavers hoodies for me.
It's a flirt.
It's the crying over the school leavers. It's the right fit for me.
I sip your wet tea.
Don't get me dirty. It's the going blonder for me.
Looks beautiful, don't listen to him.
I didn't say it was bad. I didn't say it was bad. I said it's the going blonder.
I did.
It's the poof for me. Insert Kayla with poof. Yeah. Guys, if you see Lily's replies on Insta, it's like, oh, I miss so much. Thanks, lots of love, kiss, kiss.
At least I do reply.
Shy, mate.
You did this for what?
I do reply.
Thank you for what? Is it still on? She's zooming in.
Guys, look, it has my name on it.
You in your box. Okay, let's rate it. The box I give
No.
you.
Do not bring this container,
Because
okay?
there's no colour.
What are you talking about?
The container.
Your American food.
It's American. Is that right? Okay. Hi. Please go to our guests. Some water, please.
Yes.
What guests? All you guys are
We
being
live here.
rude.
Do you know what? I'll give you 3 more minutes and then I'm putting you in Doc's car and driving you off the edge.
So we got some H2O for the guests.
Yeah, thank you.
Some H2O.
Let's give it a sip, ready?
Barrymore.
It smells like Mexican chicken in here.
It's Twintube and Lilly.
Hey guys, my name is Taylor, or my name is Kai, and together we are Twintube. Today we're going to be doing this challenge. Today we're with, you know, our friends. Today we are here with the one, the only, Annie.
Point 2.
Okay guys, so today we are here with the amazing Lilly Love.
Just stay with me.
Hello everyone.
And the amazing Kaela.
Never forget.
Hello.
And today we're going to be. Kaela is the number one.
I'm back.
I am.
Kaela
Have
is
you got
the-
notifications on?
Okay guys, and so for today's video we are going to be spilling.
If I no girl over no man, me no idiot.
I'll fight no girl over no man, me no idiot.
We're going to do a version of the whisper challenge where juicy questions are involved also. So 2 people are going to have headphones in at a time. Say Lily has headphones in, I'm going to be asking her a juicy question. And if she can't guess what I'm saying, if she can't guess what I'm saying through the headphones when the music's blasting in her ear, then she has to answer the question. So instead of saying something and they have to repeat it, you have to kind of guess what they're asking you.
Yeah.
And then if you guess it, then you don't have to answer. Splendid idea. Okay, let's get started. I feel like I'm ready, but before this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below because that's way to your channel post notifications. You know, we upload every Tuesday plus latest videos.
We upload every Tuesday, plus extra videos.
So Kaela and Lily will have headphones in at one time then.
Okay.
Okay. Lily, insert. I'm asking them the same question. Insert. Oh yeah. Okay, I've got the question. Wait, let's play a song for them and then talk to
Oh
them.
my god, I feel actually deaf.
Oh my god.
Do you?
Oh my god.
Isn't it weird?
Can you hear me?
Wait.
Can you hear me? Where have you gone? So we asked some of our friends questions, we asked you questions on TikTok, and we're getting some questions online. So there'll be a bunch of juicy questions. Let's get started. So what's the first question? The first question is, what was your first kiss like? Okay, who's gonna try who first? I'm gonna try Kaela. Okay. What was your first kiss like?
Go again.
What was your first kiss like? What
I'm hearing is not sensible for you two.
What was your first kiss like?
Can I say that on this? Yeah, I can.
Yes.
You said. Go again.
What
was your first kiss like? Dick. Kiss.
Yeah. Hey, Lily's turn. What's your first kiss?
Is this the question?
Yeah. What was your first kiss like?
I can't tell if you're asking the question or not.
What was your first kiss like?
First kiss?
Yeah.
Have I got to answer it?
Why are you screaming for the gods?
Have I got to answer the question? Have I got to answer it?
No, you guessed it. So
I
you have to
guessed
answer.
it.
That
Wait,
was
she
so
guessed it?
difficult.
Yeah.
Okay, you can take them out.
That was so difficult.
That is so
it
loud.
sounds
I feel
like
like I'm
it's
in the
leaving my
field.
body.
Okay, have you got a question for us?
Mine first.
Can you hear?
I can't hear you.
Lily.
I haven't started.
Lily,
I haven't
what's our
started.
question? What's our question? That's quite a long one.
Yeah. Ready? So I'm going to ask the question. Are you listening? Ready?
All
This is
up.
long. Listen.
No.
Tell every detail
Sell every seat.
of the last
Sell every
dream.
seatbelt.
Of the last dream
Of the flask.
you had.
Blast.
Of the
I can't even say my
last
last.
dream
Dream.
you
Dream.
had. Yeah. You had.
You had.
Tell every detail.
Tell every.
Detail.
Detail.
Dream you had.
Dream.
Dream
Dream.
you had.
You had.
Don't
You
leave
had.
anything out.
Tell the last dream you had.
Don't leave anything out.
Don't leave
anything out.
Anything out.
You got
Let's
it.
go get big
I mean,
trap.
barely.
Okay,
Raw.
tell me every detail of the last dream you had. Tell me.
Damien.
Tell me.
Tell me.
Ah, there you go. Tell me every detail. Is that English?
Damien.
Damien. Tell me every detail.
Have you sit down?
Tell me every
Tell me
detail
every self.
of the dream. Last dream.
Dream. Tell me the last detail of every dream.
No. Tell me every detail.
Tell me every single.
Don't leave anything out.
Can I just answer it? I can't get it. What was the question?
Tell me every detail of the last dream you had and don't leave anything out.
So I basically got the question.
You didn't get the don't get anything out.
Okay, well, what was the question? What was the last dream you had?
Don't leave anything out.
I had a dream that me and Taylor were just like, we had a viral video. And it just went, I like clicked on our subscriber thing and it was on like 6,000 subscribers and then I refreshed it and it was on like 6,600.
Oh my god.
That was the last dream I had and then I woke up.
Oh, Blackpink in your area.
What's the craziest thing you've ever done to attract a crush? Yeah. Okay, I'll go. Shall I go first? I'll go first. Okay. What's the craziest thing you've done to attract your crush?
What's the crush?
What's the craziest thing you've done to attract your crush?
What's my crush's crush? What?
What's the craziest thing you've done to
the-
attract a crush?
What's the craziest crush? What's my craziest crush?
What's the craziest thing you've done to attract a crush?
I've sent to my crush.
Attract? No, I swear you I swear you only get 3 guesses. One more. Okay. What's the craziest thing you've done to attract?
Look at me.
What's the craziest thing you've done to attract a crush?
What's the craziest thing I've sent to my crush?
No. No. You have to answer it. You only get like 3 guesses.
What is it?
What's the craziest thing you've done to attract a crush?
Attract?
Yeah.
Dude, my craziest thing I've done to attract a crush.
I could just say, look at that girl. Look at that.
It's so loud.
Have you spoken
I'm just
loudly
loud.
to get their attention?
Yeah.
You have?
Yeah.
Who said that? We'll see.
Yeah. I'm a loud person.
So you're loud in front of them?
Yeah, but I'm loud in front of everyone though.
But are you super loud? There must
I'm
be
super
something
loud.
you must have done.
I'm super loud.
So,
And I'm loud. I'm just loud.
so how did you attract?
Song's over.
Put that in!
What's the craziest thing you've ever done to attract a crush?
What's
It's so hard.
crush?
What's the craziest thing you've ever done to attract a crush?
What's the only thing you've done?
What's the craziest thing? Craziest thing you've done to attract a crush?
I can't do a thing.
What's the craziest thing you've ever done to attract a crush?
What's
What's the craziest thing?
crazy?
Oh, why am I giving clues? Yes. Craziest.
I don't have a sister. Crazy sister. Crazy sister. Crazy sister. Crazy sister.
I said, what's the craziest you craziest thing you've ever done to attract a crush?
Say again.
Shit.
I don't know what this
Take
is.
it out. What's the craziest thing you've ever done to attract a crush?
Attractor.
Attract. What is the craziest thing you've ever done to attract a crush, Kaela?
I'm crying.
Probably just like pretended I knew some music that I didn't. Like, you know when they're like, oh, I love this artist, I'm like, yeah. And you name you search up the name and you see like one song and
This
you're
is
like,
nice. So the question is, can you hear? Can you hear? No? The question is, when's the last time you flat out rejected and how did you handle it? I don't think
they're not gonna go there, it's too long.
No.
Ready?
When was the last time
What's the last time?
When was the last
What's the last time
you
you
was
washed?
flat out rejected?
What's the last time? What's the last?
What's the last time?
What's the last time
you was flat out
you
rejected?
washed chest? You don't think I washed my chest?
Mm.
What?
What's the last time?
What's the last time?
You was flat out.
What was the last time you washed flat?
When was the last time you was flat out rejected?
Flat out. What was the last time you blacked out?
You was flat out.
On the floor. What's the last time you blacked out? Flat chest.
When was the last time?
You was
flat out.
Flat out.
Rejected.
Period.
Yeah.
Can't catch
And
up.
roll.
Running through the air like a madman. Hand roll.
The question you didn't get anywhere near. It was. Can you hear? When was the last time you were flat out rejected, and how did you handle it?
I've never been rejected.
Period.
Actually, I probably like DM'd someone, but then they never answered.
Fair.
But this was like a celebrity with like 10 million followers.
What's
the most
flirtation?
What?
Flirtation.
Flirtatious. Flirtatious thing.
What's the most flirtatious
What's the most flirtatious thing you've ever done?
Yeah, he got that.
I heard it.
How?
Describe your first date.
Trouble first day.
Describe your first day.
Trouble.
Describe your first date.
Trouble first day.
No.
Date again.
Describe your first.
Tribal.
Why did you know
Is it tribal?
No.
Do it again.
Describe your first date.
Tribal. He goes tribal.
You went tribal. Describe your first date.
I'm getting tribal first date.
Tribal first.
Tribal first
Date.
date.
No, Lily, no.
Trouble first
Might
date.
change up your phone. No. Describe your first date. You have to describe your first
I
date.
got tribal. My first date
Where was it?
in a park.
A date in a park.
Yeah, you can have a date in a park.
Or like a
Okay.
picnic. Like a day thing.
No, it wasn't even a picnic. That's
With
sad,
who?
isn't it?
Who?
You don't know these people. You can't bait them
How
out.
old were you?
Like 13.
Oh, okay.
What's one secret you've never told anyone? Yeah.
That's a good one.
What's one secret you've never told anyone?
What's so weird thing? Oh, stop! It stopped. What's the?
What's one secret you've never
You
told?
did this. One.
What's one secret you've never told anyone?
What's the one?
Good one.
What's one secret?
Secret. Oh, it's off again.
What's one secret you've never told anyone?
Are you whispering?
No. What's one secret you've never told anyone?
What's the one secret that you don't know?
That you've never told anyone.
That anyone doesn't?
That you haven't told anyone. That you haven't told anyone.
That I
Haven't told anyone.
haven't.
We'll give her one more guess. What's one secret that you haven't told anyone?
What's one secret never told?
Never told who? Anyone. Anyone.
Anyone. What's the one secret you didn't tell anyone?
Yeah,
That's pretty much
kind of.
it.
I'm gonna ask.
I'm gonna ask.
Who is your least favorite person in the room?
Who is your least favorite person?
in the room?
In the room?
Oh, you got it.
Did I get it? Oh, I didn't even. Are they?
Give relationship advice to.
Here, relationship. That's a bit rude. Here, relationship advice. It's like
Give.
Give.
Relationship advice
Relationship.
to one person in the room.
Advice
To one person in the room.
to one
Person in the room.
person in the room.
Oh, I got it.
That's not even a question, is it?
It's a
Statement.
demand.
It's an order.
It's a demand.
Demand. Did you say demand?
Come on. Come on.
Who is this?
This is so loud.
324. You're getting the same pain I received.
With you.
It's a headbanger.
I'm gonna play Kaela some Whitney Houston. Watch that. What are you asking? Whitney. Should I say what is your type on paper?
Really loud.
Okay, can we ask the same?
Speed it up.
The same question at the same time.
This is really loud.
What is your type on paper?
Actually,
What's your type on paper?
How would I?
What's your type on paper?
what's my type on paper?
Yeah. What's your type on paper?
What's my type? I got this.
What's your type on paper?
On paper?
Yeah.
What's your type on paper?
No, they
Got it.
How?
A partner. So what's
One thing that would What is?
What is one thing?
That will
What's the one thing?
What is one thing?
What is one thing?
What is one thing?
What is one?
What is one?
What is one thing?
What is one thing that will put you off?
What's one?
What is? What is?
What's one thing you'd remove?
What is one
What
thing?
is one thing?
What is one thing?
What is?
Washing.
Would put you off?
But that would shut you off.
Watching.
Partner.
What?
A wash.
What?
Partner.
Yeah.
What is one thing
What is one thing
that will put you off?
that will work? He gets
Put you-
3 guesses.
He's done about 7. That will put you off.
Put.
You off
You off.
a partner.
A partner. What's one thing? What's one thing that would put you off a partner?
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah, I think we're done. Wow, that was a funny video.
Finally, I need to go.
Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for joining us.
Oh, you're welcome.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
See you guys in the
Thank
next
you for
video.
having me. Bye.
Thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you later.
Subscribe.
I